pretty lady, I am so glad to meet you. My name is Tanya and I want to introduce myself to you. I have 3 children, 5 grandchildren, and a dog named Lucy. I'm married to an incorrigible husband named Joe, and he either keeps me laughing or pulling my hair out. It's kind of depending upon the day. I'm also an unintentional blogger. My sister encouraged me to start her blog at the age of 54, but I let the fact that I had no idea what a blog was and that I was technically challenged keep me from even trying. But 1 year later, I decided to expand my horizon and get out of my comfort zone. I've always loved helping women, and I was an active member of the General Federation of Women's Clubs, where I served as a club president, a district president, and as a chairman on several committees on the state level. So now I continue to help women with my blog using fashion and beauty as my tools. Women put so much time and energy into everyone else, and we can sometimes lose sight of who we really are. We raise our children, we support our husbands, we build careers, and then around the age of 50, we look around and find ourselves invisible. The younger generation sometimes views us as old-fashioned and out of touch, and corporate America looks to replace us with those younger versions that have modern ideas. So, what's a gal to do? We're going to go Rosie the Riveter, and we're going to fight back. The truth is, we sometimes believe the lies, and we begin to start acting old, and that's where I come in, because I'm a firm believer that age is just an attitude. It's what's between your ears that can do more damage than anyone else. So, let's go on this journey together and show others how to have more confidence as we enter just another phase of our lives. Because if age is just an attitude, then I intend to keep mine young.